Now let's break down our breaking story of the day and discuss a $300,000 Bitcoin price prediction along with the timeline and the exact date of when this is expected to take place. Let's freaking go. And this is according to the MELD CEO. Ken Olling, founder and CEO of MELD, is anticipating a significant surge in the Bitcoin price, labeling it a panic level rally. In a new interview with Kitco, Olling opened up about the current speculation surrounding the approving of a spot Bitcoin ETF and provided his price forecast for 2024 and 2025. Here we go. The CEO highlighted the imminent decision by the SEC on January 24th regarding the spot Bitcoin ETF app. Olling stressed the positive track record of BlackRock, the key player in ETFs, and expressed confidence in their application approval, citing the potential boost it can bring to the Bitcoin price. And he's correct because BlackRock has a track record with the SEC of 575 to 1, meaning for every 575 ETF applications, only one doesn't get approved. So it's a given, it's a lock, we all know it's coming. Olling discussed the widespread anticipation within the crypto community for the price dip following the ETF approval news, following by consolidation, marking the onset of the next bull run. However, he also offered the contrarian view, suggesting that the expected downturn might not materialize as predicted due to increased market activity post-approval. Quoting him here from this new interview from Kitco News, he said, "So people see this coming. They see that people are starting to accumulate Bitcoin because they know they will have places to sell it to, whether it's BlackRock or Fidelity or the other dozen ETFs in the application. All of them will be, or most will be, approved. The SEC can't simply approve BlackRock and then not approve these other ones. It would be a complete disaster for management from their side." That's right. They're most likely going to approve them all because they don't want to show favoritism that will work against the SEC. So addressing the likelihood of the approval, Olling stated a high confidence level, estimating it at north of 97 to 98%. Holy moly. So even higher projection than the ETF experts over at Bloomberg, predicting 90%. If you were to throw a percentage on the likelihood of this ETF being approved, what would you say? Let me know. And let's say by January of next year. He projected the approval would trigger a surge in the Bitcoin price, potentially reaching $75,000 to $80,000 per coin, setting a new all-time high. Send it. Let's go. And looking ahead, check this out. Olling presented a bull forecast, the Bitcoin exceeding $300,000 per coin by September of 2025. So there you have it. That's the date which we were talking about in the title of this video, because I know you're going to be like, JV, what's the date? He's projecting $300,000 Bitcoin by September of 2025, ultimately projecting the peak of the cycle at that time. And I think that's a pretty solid prediction. I think 300,000 could be a lock as well. And around that time, I don't think we hit the cycle peak in 2024 as some analysts are projecting. I personally feel 2025, but I want to know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know. He attributed his projection to the expected influx of institutional money through ETFs and macroeconomic factors such as inflation concerns, as well as a weakening dollar. And quoting him here from the actual same interview, quoting him right here, middle of 2024, I don't think we'll see anything spectacular. We might see $75,000 to $80,000 Bitcoin, but I think 2025 is going to be a spectacular year. We're looking north of 300,000 per Bitcoin. So yeah, not even 300, north of 300. We're forecasting right now sometime in September. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree or disagree with this analyst. We all know there's so many bullish catalysts in 2024. ETF, halving, supply shock, very limited Bitcoin on the exchanges, number go up technology. Let's go. Shout out to Little Germ. I appreciate you sending your very first super chat on YouTube ever.